Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw one of my favorite summer foods, and that is a s'more. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our s'mores, we're going to begin with the graham cracker. So I'm going to start right here, and I just want to make a line that's going to come across here. You can make it perfectly straight. Mine's a little curved, however you want to do it. Now, at the end of at each end of this line, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down for the actual graham cracker. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across. Now, right underneath this, I want to make the chocolate. So I'm going to start inside of here just a little bit, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down a little bit on each side. Now, when I connect this, I'm just going to use a wavy line to connect these. Now, you don't want them all the same size. You want them to be kind of like wavy, different lengths and sizes. So I'm just going to make some of these tall, some of these short, and I'm just going to make them all different sizes for my melted chocolate. Now, on each side of my chocolate, I want to make the marshmallow. I'm going to start inside here a little bit, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down. Now, right across the bottom here, I'm going to draw that bottom part of the graham cracker. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across. I'm going to make two little lines that come down on each side. And then I'm going to draw the bottom. Now, inside of here, I want to add a face. I'm going to start right here by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, then I'll make another circle for another eye. Inside of here, I'm just going to add a little black dot for the pupils. Right here, I'm going to make a little smiley face for the mouth. Then I'll make a line that's going to go down and then come up here. I'm going to add a little curved line for the tongue. And I'm just going to color in this part of the mouth real quick, just so we can kind of see where the tongue is. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon s'mores. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.